I'm Mr. Jacobson, and I'm always trawling for swatches. Today we're looking at the SKL100, Gracie the Baby Dugong, by the artist Adamastor. This was a very maritime watch that was for an exhibition in Lisbon in 1998. But there isn't a whole lot of information on this watch. The only thing I know about it is that it's quite pretty and very rare. For all I've read, only 1,000 were ever made. As you can see here, it's all about the skeleton. Everything is very transparent. Here's a close-up and you can see the dial, which is, well, very underwater-ish. The hands and the indices, which range from dots to an asterisk. The color scheme is blue, transparent, purple and yellow. Here you can see the buckle and the clasp, and the strap. The strap has a lot of fish on it, which is a bit strange since a dugong is actually a whale, which is a mammal. On the whole though, the watch looks kind of funky, and I like that, especially since it has its underwater theme. Here is a close-up of the dial. I don't have a battery in this currently, but I know that it works. The hands are, well, the hour hand is an arrow, and the minute hand is, I think you can call it an elongated sword shape, and the second hand has a dot on it. These hands are probably luminescent. When you look at the dial, you get the feeling of an aquarium, and I think that's the whole point, because, well, this whole watch is based on a whale. The indices are basically all dots, apart from the 12, which is an asterisk, or a sea star or something. The design overall, I think, is love it or hate it. I happen to like it, but a person who would see this watch would know immediately if they would or wouldn't like the design. It's all very playful and cartoonish, and if you like that sort of thing, then this watch is definitely for you, if you can find one. Let's see it on a wrist. And as you can see, my wrist is, as always, 7.48 inches, or 19 centimeters, or 0.000944 furlongs. It fits really well with a white shirt because of its bold color scheme, and I also think it would work well with a black shirt too. It's just a beautiful speck of color. This is definitely something for a good cocktail party. And as you can see, since it is a standard swatch size, it fits under the cuff, and I think it could use a bit of protection since it's all plastic and will scratch easily. Overall, I have to admit that I for some reason enjoy maritime themed watches, but there is one thing that I don't like about these particular swatches, and that is the strap. When it comes to the plastic strap, they're usually not very comfortable, and they feel, well, they don't feel very durable. I much prefer the silicone straps because they are so insanely comfortable, and they feel like they're gonna last for a bit. But these plastic straps, they just won't. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mr. Jacobson. Have a nice day.